Oh, what
Yeah.
do?
I'll landlock you. You won't be going nowhere.
Dickhead. Dude, can we make a swing? Or like a slingshot?
Uh, yeah. Probably needed to make it a bit higher because the cables are very long.
Oh, you ruined that one in the middle, didn't you?
No. I think we should use something pretty built. Something a bit sturdier, like this. Actually, no. We need it to be really high. Wait, restart.
What? Whoa, what's that?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, get
Oh,
out of the way.
what's the plan?
I'm gonna put the fire out because that noise is getting on my tits.
I didn't even hear that. I turned off sound effect.
Oh, completely. Just played the whole game with no noise.
Yeah. I'll get stimulated.
Visuals only. Where's the fire still going? It's on the top. We need an entryway. Hold on.
It's on the upper part. Wait there.
Plank us up. Ah, yes. Ah, you fucked it. Don't worry, the firefighters are here. Yeah. Alright. Now we need a good seat for the swing. That'll fit in this gap. Maybe a chair. This one. Suitable. Whoa, I said carry it, not throw it. Oh,
Ah, but you
fuck.
could have attached it.
I could have. Try that again. No, it didn't work. Oh, he's busted it.
Ready?
Throw it. Ah, and I caught the chair because I'm too fucking good.
Oh,
Nice. Oh. Now,
oh.
do we need to like four strap it?
I don't know.
Nice. Now quick save. Now get in it. Idiot.
Ben,
Oh my god, you suck.
you saw.
You suck a go-go.
We should put some rocket boosters. No.
No, that's what I'm gonna do. That's why I've
What?
cut the back out so when you get on it. Oh my god, you suck so bad.
Bro, let's see you get on it, dickhead. Uh, fuck you.
Ah!
I'm not a parkourer. Okay. Alright. I'm in.
Alright. Sit in the middle.
Yeah.
Hold on tight.
Dude, it done a 360.
That's what I was going for. But it fucking smashed into the wall. Alright, reload. We're gonna have to take more stuff out so it can do a full 360. Alright, be careful shooting around the chair. Perfect. Alright, save again.
Oh,
Save again.
send me a man. Oh my god, dude, look up.
You went flying. That was amazing.
Dude, I actually did rotations.
Yeah.
Where did you predict that?
There. There.
Yeah, do it.
Oh! You're so
Oh,
shit.
you fell down. You fell down.
You're so shit.
You're so shit.
Alright. Hit it.
Clay pigeon shooting. Dude, you need to stand on this side when you ignite me.
Why?
Because it's way better view. Oh. Go. Fly me to the moon. Oh.
Oh, it's no, it's all out of skew with. Reload, reload. I want to try something. Reload it, reload it, reload it, reload it. I've got an idea.
What's your idea?
So I'm thinking, if we make this really thin. Now get seated. I'm gonna send you to the moon.
Whoa!
I spun you up and then shot out the fixings. Yeah, 3 was too much.
Tools. Rocket booster. We can do
just do time.
time. No,
yeah,
not time.
Max time.
Power.
You got even moonier. Because power
Okay,
might fuck it up. Time won't fuck it up. It will just extend the amount of rocket.
Okay, what? 2 time?
Yeah, 2 time. Because then max power, if you do 2 in max power, it means we only need 1 thruster, but we need to balance them, so we need to put 2.
Now we've got maximum length of time.
From length of time. Now this should be like a mega spin. Don't shoot me off, just not. Oh fuck. Just mega spin me.
Ah, god damn it. Fucking loser. What a fucking bitch, dude.
What the fuck are you doing down there?
I'm into
Mega
the
spin! Whoa! Oh, I nearly landed in the chimney. That would have been amazing. Ejectocito, baby!
Whoa, dude, I've been thrown like... Oh, dude. Chimney, chimney, chimney. No, no, no.
Ah, you suck. I saw you clip it.
You fucking suck. You suck. You fucking suck. What you doing? God, let's see you fucking. How? Wait, how did you see me?
Because I
You can't
jumped.
see
I
this,
jumped
can you?
out there.
Oh,
I jumped outside because I saw you go behind the building.
all right. Go to the moon.
Oh no, I didn't get any height. Oh, look where I land though, because I'm skilled.
Uh,
Yeah, what do you know about this?
yeah, because you're a dirty laundry.
That. Oh,
Sorry, I didn't know you was doing that.
I was about to do disco maneuvers on the dirty laundry thing. You just fucking shot the fucking thing off.
I didn't mean it.
I didn't mean any.
I didn't know what you was doing.
Let's try again. Douche, douche, douche.
Douche. Why are you saying that?
Sounds like. Oh, you
Oh.
got burned. Quick scope.
Oh shit. Oh! I didn't even clip it.
That was beautiful.
How the hell are we gonna do that?
Easy job, mate.
That's why that's too wide for the wall.
I've got a shotgun. You ever heard about that one? That's
No,
what I
but
say.
I mean it's too wide for the thing that we left, the little pole.
Nah, we'll do connections in the from corner to middle.
Okay.
Right, you're connecting, man.
No, I'm not.
Why I can't hold the sofa?
Well, then I'll hold the sofa.
Oh, you've already made it wonky. You've already fucked it up. Ah, right, put it here. Right, grab the middle. Right. Oh no! You fucking broke it. We might need to make another swing hole.
Swing home my asshole.
Reload. Okay, where can we make another swing?
Oh my god, I can't even stop laughing, I'm crying. God damn.